kama viongozi hapa tulijadiliana sana kwa muda mrefu kama tutaweza kusema saa hizi kweli wangapi wamefariki ama hapana, lakini tulipoona habari ambayo mmepeperusha tayari kwa nchi nzima, tukaona tu ni kwamba ni afadhali tuseme wale ambao wamefariki. Otherwise generally kama kungekuwa ni environment or a society penye we would have kept these numbers for the time being, we would have wished that the numbers be kept until we deal with identification. But because in this era of social media presence and information control, it becomes very difficult. We realized that the message was all over the country, and we thought it was only fair to confirm that 16 persons have since passed on. But then this creates also another trouble for us, which is the anxiety among the parents trying to know who of them has lost their loved one. So that is the speed with which we are moving now, faster, to try to reach as many parents as possible using deductive method, identifying those who are here, releasing them, and then those who are unaccounted for, we start speaking to those parents and start counseling and reaching out to them. So really we have had to work backwards because of the nature of which information flies in this world. And so going further to say anything related to the same will be extremely irresponsible on our part. I want all of us to now keep it at that until we call you for another press release baadaye. So that is really what I can say about the stature of the bodies, the nature of the accident, the possible causes of it. Let's leave it to investigations first, and then we can come to that.
Waziri, my name is Willie Dennis Njiru from TV47. Maybe on account of the arson attacks on